Web developers. Should you be scared? AI tools are getting smarter every day. But here's the truth nobody is telling you. Everywhere you look, people are saying AI is going to replace programmers. It writes code, fixes bugs, builds websites, and even deploys apps. So, what's left for humans? But here's the honest truth. AI doesn't replace developers. It replaces slow developers. The ones who refuse to learn new tools. The ones stuck in old ways. AI is not competition. It's an upgrade. AI still can't replace human thinking. It can't talk to a client need, understand cultural design choices, create product strategy, solve real-world messy problems, build trusty, innovate people, build products. AI builds suggestions. As long as businesses exist, developers will be needed to make websites, dashboards, systems, APIs, and digital products that solve problems. AI is a tool. Developers are the architects. The future developer is not someone who knows everything. It's someone who builds faster. Someone who uses AI the same way we use Google, Stack Overflow, or Versus Code. So no, AI will not replace web developers. But developers who use AI will replace developers who don't. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe. This journey is just getting started.